Hey, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Eleni, and today I am doing a what's in my bag. So I'm actually all packed, well, just about packed. I still have a few last minute things. I'm going on a small weekend trip, still staying in Florida, so being safe, not traveling outside of the state. So I'll show you guys what I pack, all of my essentials, when I'm basically bare minimum packing. So I only have this duffel bag here and my purse. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell for notifications. So let's find out what I put in my bag. First, I'm going to show you what I put inside my purse because there's not really much in this purse. It's a pretty small purse, to be honest. So, of course, my phone charger. I always have a spare mask just in case something happens to the one that I'm currently wearing. I usually like to wear the silk masks, mulberry silk, because they're good for your face and good for your skin, you know, unlike these ones. But of course, I always keep a spare surgical in there. I have my passport. It's just because I like to travel with my passport. It just makes me feel safer having an extra form of ID on me. Then of course my wallet with all my cash, credit cards, driver's license, the whole nine. Then in this little pocket, I like to keep an extra scrunchie. I always have one on my wrist, but you never know, you might lose one. And I keep my lip liner and lipstick in there as well. And of course, Listerine Fresh Breath pocket mints. These are amazing and a lifesaver. I really like to chew gum, but I do prefer these mint strips over gum if I am in a pinch. I actually don't have any gum in my purse right now, so that's something that I need to pick up at the store because I am out of gum, and that is my holy grail. I don't know, I'm obsessed with chewing gum. Next up, what's in my duffel bag. So this is small packing in my opinion. I am only going away for 3 days, so I definitely don't need much, and honestly this thing is full, and it's probably too full because I packed as if I was gonna change outfits 5 times a day, honestly, but you know how it is. Alright, first and foremost, this is not bra and underwear. Okay. This is a bikini because I live in Florida and we swim here year round basically. So, extra cute PJs, well, extra, these are my only ones. Cute PJs, short and tank top set, because I like to sleep cute. Then I have sparkly sandals. I love these sandals. They're from Victoria's Secret last year. They're so cute. Well, slides. Like I said in a previous video, I hate flip-flops, but I love slides. And they're sparkly, so what's not to love? I have a cute casual bodysuit. I really like this one. It says, "Oh honey" on it. This one is adorable. Just a little t-shirt. Some lounge / workout wear, so sports bra and matching leggings. This is my favorite set actually. If you recognize this from the wearing one color for 24-hour or one day video, this is the lavender pinkish workout set that me and Morgan actually have matching ones. Leo just tried to grab this. He's in a playful mood. Come on up. Ooh, come here. Come on up. Come on up. Everyone wants to see you. Ooh, come here. Leo. I'm giving you another one. Casual tank tops, just for day wear. Another nude one. I really like this one with a very small, thin straps. So that's just for daytime, hanging out, chilling. Then matching more lounge / workout wear. It's just black shorts, with black crop top, tank top. I really like that set. I have a preference to completely solid colors, preferably black, but just solid colors in general, despite I have this really cute two-piece set. It's stripes. I'm not really one for patterns, but these black and yellow stripes, bandeau or tube top, I don't know what it's called, with the matching pants, I think is so cute. And honestly, this looks like fancy, but this is so comfortable. Leo, he's biting the bottom of my pants. He thinks it's a string. Let go. Yeah, I love this set. This is like, I can wear it to go out in. Like, in the past, I've actually worn this out like to bars and clubs, but also this is good day wear. Of course, I'm not going to any bars and clubs this weekend, but I wish. We can only dream, right? When is the world gonna be open again? Next up, another cute two-piece set. This is pretty casual. It's just a skirt. I think that's backwards. Yeah, that's backwards. A cute skirt and a cute tank top that matches. Two-piece sets are my go-to because you don't have to think when you're wearing, like in your closet, you don't have to think like, oh, let me get the matching, or like, let me find pants that match. Like, no, this already matches and you don't need to plan anything. Amazing, especially for traveling too, so that way you just know what goes. I mean, as you can see, I'm wearing a matching two-piece sweatsuit. This gives me like definitely like early 2000s vibes, like Juicy Couture tracksuits. I'm so glad like the velour is coming back in. That, I had so many Juicy Couture tracksuits when I was growing up, like the sweatshirts and stuff, so that's literally what this reminds me of. Very, very happy that that has made a turnaround and come back. I like to be comfy when I'm traveling, so that's why I'm wearing this sweatsuit. I just want to be comfy and as warm as possible. So like I always get cold everywhere, so just got my cute little, my little hoodie and then my sweatpants on. I feel very, very cozy right now and I'm loving it. My best friend actually had gotten me this for Christmas and we have matching ones, so super cute. Then of course a belt. I usually wear belts when I wear jeans. And wait, this belt actually matches my luggage, so that's fun. Oh no, it's all falling. Ripped mom jeans. These are cute. I wear these all the time, but then I wear my belt with them to like cinch them in the waist because they're too big on me. Unfortunately, kind of a shame, but it's okay. Belts help that. Then black skinny jeans. I really like these ones because this is probably hard to see on camera, but they lace up in the back. So there's the lace and then they tie. I think those are so cute because then you can cinch them to fit you better. Perfect. Then I have just lots of like cute little frilly tank or crop tops. More tank tops. And my makeup and toiletries. I actually haven't packed my toiletries yet, but that's just, you know, the basics. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toothbrush, toothpaste. Pretty sure everyone has it. Although, I do really prefer charcoal toothpaste because I feel like that whitens my teeth the most. That is like a game changer, charcoal toothpaste. Like, I think it's Colgate charcoal toothpaste. Pretty cool. But for makeup, I literally had to pack so light because I needed to fit in here. I actually have a ginormous makeup like luggage case. Like, it is literally huge, like this long and like this high, and it has layers and tiers that pulls out, and that's what I keep all my makeup in always. It literally looks like something that a makeup artist would carry all of her makeup in, and that doesn't even fit all of my makeup. I'm a makeup hoarder, and I honestly use I mean, not all of it at once, but I honestly use all of it at least like one different product every time I do my makeup. Like, I don't know. I'm a hoarder with makeup. So, of course, Burt's Bees Micellar makeup wipes. I use the makeup wipes to wipe off the bulk of my makeup and then go in after and wash my face, because leaving makeup wipe like product on your skin is not good. At least that's what I've heard. Honestly, I have no idea, but that's what I've heard. Then, of course, I have my face wash. I like the Clinique Foaming Rinse Off one. This one, I don't know, it's like really, I don't know what's the word, like really creamy. When I put it on my face, the way it foams, it just feels like very like luxurious, I guess you could say. Makes washing my face like a very happy moment. It's almost like a velvety feeling face wash. Then, of course, eyelashes and eyelash glue. I wear my eyelashes every time I do my makeup, so that. My setting spray. Then I have literally the best part of my makeup routine, the Fenty Beauty matchsticks. This is a necessity. Like, I can't without these. These are like, amazing. My primer, which is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Primer. This is almost out, so I'm bringing this one to travel. So I use it up this weekend, and then I'm gonna throw it away and not bring it back with me. So, like, literally, it's empty. Like, it's done. So then I don't have to at least bring it back with me. Then I have my foundation, my baking powder with the baking, I think, sponge thing, the applicator, my eyeshadow primer with my eyeshadow palette, and I packed the Blue Honey palette because this is the one that I have been using so much. I'm literally wearing it right now. I wear this one like every day now. I'm obsessed. I did a makeup tutorial on this palette if you want to watch that, if you're interested. Then I have my Double Duty Shape Tape Concealer. I'm not bringing the other under eye concealer because I have to pack light. Of course, the necessity, the Trophy Wife Highlighter by Fenty Beauty. My Beauty Blender, absolute necessity. Let's see, I think I already told you my eyeshadow primer. I have my eyeliner. I have two different versions here. Mascara, Bare Minerals Powdered Concealer, and then Tarte Blush and Kylie Cosmetics Bronzer. So that is all of my makeup that I've packed. I have, this is like seriously traveling light. I feel like I'm tiny living right now, like tiny house living, whatever that's called. This is probably like the lightest I've ever packed, to be honest. Feels weird. And oh, also my makeup brushes, of course, for, you know, my face, my eyes, everything. I brought the pink ones. I love these. It's so pink and so beautiful. This actually matches my my setting spray. Yeah, it's the Jeffree Star products. I don't care if he's canceled. I still like his products. And the pink is so cute. Like, I love it. And it smells like strawberries. Like, you can't not. If it smells like strawberries, it's amazing. I am kind of sad that I think Morphe discontinued his line because I really do love the Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray because it smells like strawberries. Like, so that's kind of sad. But yeah, this is packing incredibly light for me. Incredibly light. Normally I'm like the bag lady, and when I pull up to my friend's house, I literally have like 4 bags that we gotta carry in, and they help me carry it in. And a lot of times I end up bringing like my ring light and my camera and my laptop, and I'm not bringing any of that this time. I'm proud of myself. Packing light. It is a quick trip, so just to visit some friends, and that's all, while being safe. I hope you like this light travel, what I have in my bag video. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell for notifications. So I'll see you next time.